That was great.
Noah, Matthew, the egg.
The issue here is,
Where's the sacrifice? The sacrifice? There's just birds all around me.
we won't know when Noah's back because he's dead.
You said to text him. He'll text him.
And I told him to text me if anything goes wrong.
I love how when I walk up close to you, I can see your character. Like if I'm sideways, I can see you. And then you're just holding a bird. Oh, Noah's back. Nope, y'all are gone.
Alright, you know what? Just eat him. Ready?
Put him down.
Eat his ass.
Nom 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 nom. Wait, I thought I was supposed to eat you.
Eat him. The reason we're eating him is because he's dead and can't stand up any longer.
Well, I'm full. With extra energy.
Yeah. I'm going to nom on this trail mix to procrastinate my hunger. Actually, no, I don't have to do that yet. Don't click that.
Obviously, I'm moving the bag so we don't accidentally.
I put the bag there on purpose.
Why?
Because I totally thought I was hungrier than you, so I would eat Noah, then you would eat me. But apparently I'm not hungrier than you.
Both of y'all were birds.
Wow. Graphic. Cute.